Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect networking in computers. We'll start by understanding the fundamental components that make up any computer network, whether it's for your home or a small office. Then, we'll explore the various types of cables and essential hardware devices that form the backbone of a reliable network. Getting these basics right is crucial for a smooth and efficient connection, ensuring all your devices can communicate seamlessly and access the internet without a hitch. Let's dive into the key hardware components that power your network. First, routers manage all your network traffic, directing data to the right devices and connecting you to the internet. Modems are essential for translating the internet signal from your service provider into a usable format. Switches allow multiple devices within your local network to communicate efficiently, while network interface cards, or NIC, are built into your computers, enabling them to connect to the network itself. Each plays a vital role. For robust and fast connections, wired networks are often the best choice. Ethernet cables, such as Cat5e or Cat6, are commonly used, offering speeds often up to 1 gigabit per second or even 10 gigabits per second for Cat6a. To connect, simply plug one end of the Ethernet cable into your computer's network port and the other into an available port on your router or switch. Always ensure a secure connection for optimal performance and reliability, minimizing any potential signal loss. Now, let's talk about the convenience of wireless networks. Wi-Fi technology allows your devices to connect without physical cables, offering flexibility. To set up, access your router's administration page to configure your Wi-Fi network name, also known as the SSID, and a strong password. It's crucial to secure your network with the latest encryption, like WPA3, to protect your data. For the best signal strength and coverage, place your router in a central location, away from obstructions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.